Hello guys, so I have here the PLAUD NotePin, the world's most wearable AI recorder. Is this thing worth it? And what is it used for? Let's find out in this video. So I'm gonna download the PLAUD app on my phone. I think they should have an app, PLAUD AI. So this is the PLAUD AI app. So this is the PLAUD AI app. I'm gonna hit download and it's actually downloading. So it is done and I need to set it up. How do I even on this? So this is the app. It welcomes you, sort of a welcome screen. It gives you a welcome screen where, all right, so they also have other devices. They have the Note Pro, Note, and the NotePin. So that is it. So here I'm going to add a PLAUD device. So I need to enable the Bluetooth on this device. I don't know whether this thing requires charging before. I think I need to charge it. So I'm going to plug it into, remove this, plug it into this, and connect the charger. This is a Type-C, okay. All right, so let's test this thing. I've charged it for a while now. So what I'm going to do is just pin this to my shirt here. So it's like a pin. I'm going to pin it to my shirt here. So this thing is meant to be used like with the app, obviously, or your notes. So I have the app launched. You're going to tap on the plus icon, and if the device is on, it's automatically going to be paired because you've already paired it. You should already pair it with your phone. And I'm going to start recording. So anytime you have kind of a quick burst of idea, for example, okay, I just had an idea of comparing monitors, sort of a monitor guide for users who are planning to buy a monitor to use with their laptop. So the whole idea is to compare a 1080p monitor with 2K monitor versus a 4K monitor, and even versus a 5K monitor. You know, what is the difference and what is the benefit of each. So yeah, I plan of doing this video because I think it's going to benefit my audience. Yeah. Then I'm just going to hit stop and save. So that's all. Now I have the idea saved so that I don't lose it, because it's like writing it down. So I have it saved. When I come into my app, I can come and click generate, and it's automatically going to generate and give me a proper summary of the whole thing. And see what it's doing is good. This will take a few minutes and will continue if you leave this up. Yeah, so it's actually generating whatever I said. I want to especially thank PLAUD for sending me this, and if you are into something like this, please, I'm going to leave a link in the description just so that you check them out. So if you are a lecturer or you're a teacher or you're somebody who's a creative person who gets a lot of ideas off the hook, this is a very useful tool. They even have their watch strap that you can use. You know, if you feel like pinning it, because it's a lot of work, you can use the watch strap. I don't have that, but I think you can get that online. Yeah, so this is the transcript video guide, bias video guide, laptop monitor buying guide, title, buying guide to buy monitor, synopsis. This note outlines a plan for a video guide. Key takeaways are the video will be a buying guide. So everything that I said here, it has actually created an action plan, but it also has the raw transcript, here. So I think it's a really useful tool. Most of us use ChatGPT anyways for typing. I use ChatGPT a lot for even speaking to ChatGPT. So having this a convenient way of also speaking to it, because the inbuilt microphone is really powerful. It can recognize your voice even in a loud environment. And I think another advantage of this is that it also records the voice internally, because sometimes even if you're recording to ChatGPT, you are speaking to ChatGPT, you can lose the voice, but sometimes there'll be an error. But this one, you have the recording internally. So that is it for this video. If this was helpful to you, as always, please do me a favor, like this video. And so that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.